this, to this, and after that to the sea. Mr. Rodney builds boats the old traditional way. And look, Mr. Rodney, I build a boat right now, a canoe.
Yeah.
Right, Mr. Rodney?
Yeah.
What kind of wood this?
Cotton tree.
Cotton tree wood. What is about cotton tree and duppy?
Let me say a duppy tree, but not really care about it.
You don't care about the duppy part? Take you up there. How will?
Yes, sir.
And you make it?
Yes, sir.
How you make it?
Just hat it and bend it, put something through here and bend it.
Right.
And then sharpen them, you know. This one is called Edge the Devil, and so the devil afraid that hit the one eye that the stick go through here. And it stop up.
And it stop up.
And chop and it cutting come towards the devil. So
Oh, you mean you cut towards you?
yeah. These are the stuff that the tool that they use to square wood like in all days when they're gonna build a house and things like that.
How long have you have for the boat?
Maybe a week or 2 weeks.
A week or two. Respect every time. You run the thing.